Hi, welcome to Excel Skills to Pay the Bills. Today I'm going to show you how to count the number of unique cell values in a column. There are many ways this can be done, and I'm going to show you how to do this using the humble COUNTIF function. If you haven't come across the COUNTIF function before, or you want a refresher, just click the link in the pop-up window now to see my video on the standard application of the COUNTIF function. Right, so in the following column, column A, we want to count the number of unique cell values, but we can see that there are blatant duplicates. As this is such a tiny data set, it is easy to count the unique cell values by casual inspection. But imagine you have tens of thousands of lines of data, a typical scenario for a data analyst. So, to count the number of unique cell values in a column, we type equals COUNTIF, open bracket, $A, $2, colon, A2, comma, A2, close bracket. And then I'm just going to drag this formula down, like so. Now, let's take a closer look at what we've just asked Excel to return. To start with, cell B2, we are asking Excel to count the number of times the value in A2 occurs just in the range A2 to A2. Obviously, this is just once. Then, progressing down to the next row, cell B3, we are asking Excel to count the number of times the value in A2 occurs in just the range A2 to A2. So A2 to A3. Which is 2. This is the second occurrence of ABC123. And again, progressing down a row to cell B4, we see we are asking Excel to count the number of times the value in A4 occurs in the range A2 to A4. And we can confirm that the range is increasing by 1 row each time. This process continues like so. We can see the range expanding by 1 each time. In effect, we are asking Excel to count the number of times the value contained in a given cell has occurred in the column up to and including this point. And I'd add that the dollar signs are crucial if you want to count the unique values. Without the dollar signs here, the formula would just return the number 1 every time, because we would only be asking Excel to count the number of times the value in, say, cell 3 occurs in the range A3 to A3, or the number of times the value in A4 occurs in the range A4 to A4. Anyways, let's have a look at our results. So this is the first occurrence of ABC123 in column A, the second occurrence, the third occurrence. This is the first occurrence of DEF456, second occurrence of DEF456. And now we have a new one, GHI789, it's the first occurrence of that, second occurrence, third occurrence. GKL, this is the first occurrence of that, second, third. MNO456, 1, 2, third, fourth for that one. Oh, here's the fourth occurrence of ABC123. Okay. However, we can see all these different occurrences. When we're counting just the unique cell values though, I'm only interested in the first occurrences of each unique cell value. I don't care about the second, third or fourth times a value has occurred. So I'm going to eliminate the counts greater than 1. Again, There are a number of ways you could do this, such as nesting the COUNTIF in an if statement, but to be honest, I prefer not to overcomplicate things if I can help it. So I'm going to copy, paste value, the current results, and then delete the numbers that are greater than 1. Simples. So we highlight the column, Control C copies it, Control Alt V, V, okay, paste values, and then we filter for the numbers which are greater than 1 and delete them. We are now left with a 1 every time a new unique value occurs in column A. Summing the count column gives me the total number of unique values in column A. Five. Fantastic. And that's how you count the number of unique cell values in a column. If you have any questions though, don't be shy and just pop your query in the comments section below. And of course, don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing. Ciao.